Hello, today I will show you LDW, line departure warning on Suzuki vehicles. Let's go. Cameras are responsible for operation of this system. They are main part of this system. The cameras recognize the lines on the road. Every time we cross a road line without turning on the blinkers, a warning sign appears on the screen and the steering wheel vibrates. Let's see now how it works on the road. See now how it works. Now I will cross the line, and if we blink, there is no. Okay. And without blinker, if knows you, disturb you, you can close this option with one switch. Which one switch? Okay. 1, 2, 3. And now it's deactivate. And nothing. Thank you for watching. If you like, describe. Good luck to all.